welcome back to Everything Up, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas tree out of Play-Doh. So I'll show you the colors now once I move this out of the way. Display. Oh no. Okay. And that star that on that tree, I needed help from my sister because it was kind of hard.
You know what this video needs? Some bait!
Okay, these are the colors you're going to need. Yellow, green, and brown. And then you're going to need a rolling pin or whatever. And your fake knife. Here we go. So you get the green out. You roll it as good as you can. So once you have that, you need it you need a whole lot of room so you can get your plastic knife, cut out triangles. You need 3 triangles. Okay, once you have that down, you take them out. That one's the ugly one. I'm kind of in a rush here. I can't make the videos any longer than 15 minutes because, yeah, that's all I can do. So, what? It don't work unless we have a computer. So, anyway, there, once you got that base done, you're going to take your brown, you're going to do the same thing, roll it. You're going to need a little bit, so then just roll it until it's like that. And then you're going to cut out a tree stump, kind of, for the base thing. So then just cut out that. Oh, and just so you know, this is a Christmas tree. That's why there's a Christmas beat in the background, if you can hear it. That I'm sure you do hear it. So then, there's a tree stump, and now you're going to get a paper, or just, no paper.
We'll show you how to make the star in the next video, but for now, we're just going to use this.
I'm just going to use this star that I already had from the other tree. But if you already know how to make a star, there you go. Just do it like that. Or just draw it on a paper and then trace it out on your dough.
Trisha made the star.
But Trisha made the star, so here we go. Now you're gonna need pink and stuff too, so you can make the ornaments. So I got a pink here. I got a green. I got a black too. So then I'm gonna start with black. Move the pink and green out of the way. So then you're gonna take little pieces and then roll them up into balls. And then just stick them on there like that, if you could see that.
I got a pink.
And then now I'm gonna use pink. I bet that's almost over because this is already 4 minutes. And then now I'm gonna go over here to my green. It's like a light green. It's kind of ugly.
Jingle bells,
Jingle all the way.
oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells,
Da, da, da. Turn on the beat.
jingle bells.
This is a good beat. And I'm gonna use some of that leftover brown.
Use some left of that brown.
Leftover brown. Alright. Take a good look at our tree that I just made.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this tree. And watch our other videos.
And give a thumbs up and comment down below what you think we should do next. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.